Hey y'all, I'm going to put pantyhose on my watermelons because two of them are getting too big and obviously too heavy. This blistering sun is searing everything, and since this is a metal kettle panel,
Thank
it
you.
gets very hot and it's burning the vines and my watermelons.
It's because see how it burns it?
I'm hoping that giving my watermelons a little more weight alleviated from the stem, having to hold its weight might help, and I'm going to put my face mask back on it too.
Wow, you guys! I accidentally dropped my watermelon. I was about to put a water hose on it, and I put a water hose on this. A water hose. I put a pantyhose on this one, and my mask again. Because this one, I was about to move it, and it slipped, and it fell, and I'm so sad. I know I'm laughing, it's because I'm so sad. Wah. But oh well, we have that one.
Sorry, watermelon.
We have that one left. This one's growing. Another baby over here is growing. There's a baby one. Yay.
He's very cute.
We got a bee over there.
Well,
And this little flower.
I want to see. There's a bee.
Yay.
Is that?
Yeah,
I see it's pollinating.
yeah, you did really good. Next one, do the same thing with that one over there.
Bye bye, watermelon. So sorry I dropped you.
But we really don't like to be wasteful in this house, so my husband chopped it up. But I failed to tell him to chop it in the middle. I kind of wanted to get a better visual as to how much white rind there was compared to red flesh, but you could still kind of see it had a thick layer of rind and a lot of seeds. I'm saving those for next year. My daughter said, "It's not that bad." The three of us had some, and it was honestly good. It wasn't too sweet, but it was definitely juicy. She wanted to plant the seeds, so we went back outside and threw three of them in my raised garden bed. The seeds were from the sugar baby, and it's July 31st, so let's see if it gives us any watermelons. I'll let you know in 100 days. Stay tuned, hit that bell button, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.